Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your carrier settings on iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened the settings app, simply tap on option labeled as general. Now here in the general section, simply tap on about. And if an update is available, a pop-up will appear saying network provider settings update or carrier settings update. Now tap on update to install the latest carrier settings. And now how you can check your carrier settings version if you have updated any. So to do that, simply open the settings app and from there simply go to the general. And here tap on about and look for carrier or network provider. And the version number displayed next to it indicates your current carrier settings. And that's it. That's how you can update your carrier settings on your iPhone. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.